The pale lemon house. Here is how this exterior is made. Pale lemon stucco and cool gray shutters, a quiet pair that decorates itself. An outdoor stone staircase climbs straight to the roof terrace. A timber pergola crowns the terrace and softens the flat white parapets. Bougainvillea spills over a stone canopy. Planting is part of the facade. Stone walls and an olive tree tie the house into the dry landscape. A curved white terrace slab rounds off the strict boxes. Crisp white parapet bands cap every volume of the house. Try exterior ideas on your own house, free and get Facade.